Hello YouTubers, 0 to 100 here, and I'm out and about, finally. It's such beautiful weather today, unbelievable. We've been hibernating from a long winter and it's 20 degrees today. On my clock it's showing 19 degrees. So finally it's actually excellent that we can actually get out on the bikes and enjoy a little bit of outdoor activity. Man, I'm so sick and tired of being stuck indoors. So, as you know, last week I've posted a video with regards to my motovlogging setup, and I've done basically an upgrade from the Hero 4 Silver to the GoPro 6 Black, and I've been trying out different sound options. Now, the video is never a problem, it's always the sound that's a challenge for us motovloggers. And I've been wanting to try out different mics because the mic that I've had was a PC mic and it wasn't really good for noise cancelling, and that's what us motovloggers need, good noise cancelling mics, because of the fact that we have all of this wind. Now, I'm not riding on a naked bike here. I've got this beautiful windscreen that does block most of the direct wind, but you still get a lot of crosswinds that does make it noisy, and you can hear it in the helmet, the wind buffeting, etc, etc. So I've been looking for a couple of options online, and I've tried two options which are really great too, and that's what I'm going to be using, and I'm going to give you guys samples of these today. So right now I'm actually running the footage from my GoPro 6, and I am connected to the H1 Zoom remotely. So my H1 Zoom is sitting in my tank bag, connected to, believe it or not, and I'm a genius, and I think I'm the first one that's done this, and I'm going to recommend it to all you motovloggers out there that have upgraded or are afraid to upgrade from the Hero 4 to the Hero 6 Black. Basically, what I've done is I've connected the SENA SMH10 Bluetooth backpack to the actual Zoom H1. Now, this is an excellent option because it allows for you to keep the GoPro with all of its waterproof compatibility, right? You don't have to worry about riding in the rain or different cases with all the cables running out on the side, the USB to the external mic, or, as a matter of fact, buying an expensive GoPro USB audio adapter. If you've got the SENA Bluetooth backpack, you can connect it directly with a USB to 3.5mm adapter to your Zoom H1, and you've got your audio, and you can keep this in your pocket, you can keep this in your backpack, you can keep this in your backpack, tank bag, pocket. It doesn't really matter, yes, because it's Bluetooth, it connects remotely. And I've tried out the audio, and I'm pretty happy with the audio now. The quest was, of course, to get more ambient sound, which, with all the noise cancelling microphone from the SENA, and it's an excellent microphone, it really cancels out all the noise, much more than any other mic that I've tried. So it's specifically designed for in-helmet audio. Like I've told you guys, you know, when making a phone call, people don't realize that you're on a motorbike, yeah, and you can be doing 120 kilometers an hour and still have a decent conversation, and the person on the other side will not know that you're having this conversation, right? So, unfortunately, you do lose a little bit of the ambient sound. Whoa, ho, ho, this is not good. What a big accident. What the hell happened here, man? Oh my goodness, look at that. Jeez, man. My goodness, look at that. Jeez, man. That's a write-off. Yeah, that's bad. So, where was I, man? I've lost my thought process. Now, if you want a little bit more of the ambient sounds, or to hear the bike noises, and look how many bikers are out here today, yeah? They all miss riding like I do, man. They all miss riding like I do. Yeah, buddy. Anyway, if you want to have a little bit more of the ambient sound coming through, there is actually a very good alternative, and you're not going to believe what I'm going to tell you now, yeah? Get yourself a spare set of iPhone earpieces, headsets. I think it's the 6 version, 5S, 6, that still was the last iteration of the iPhone with a 3.5mm jack. Those mics, believe it or not, are really, really good alternatives to have for the Zoom H1, rather than spending money on the Rode or the Giant Squid Sound Labs microphone. Get yourself a old style, not the lightning adapter earpieces or headsets, right? And cut out the earpieces, keep the mic, wrap some sponge around it. You can even wrap some fur around it to make a dead cat for the microphone. Stick it in your helmet, connect it to your H1, or connect it even directly to your GoPro if you have the GoPro audio adapter, and try it out. It's a cheap alternative. Yeah, you don't have to spend $50 or so if you've got a spare set. Even if they are not working and the microphone is working, cut out the earpieces and stick it in your helmet and try it out, man. I tried it out, yeah. Another YouTuber recommended it, and believe me, it is awesome. It is awesome, man. The sound that it picks up is really, really good. I was completely surprised. Completely surprised. So I'm going to show you samples of this, yeah, so that you can judge for yourself. Okay, so the audio that you're listening to right now is the mod with the iPhone 6 earphone headset. Just cut off the earbuds or the earphones, throw them away. What you need to keep is the microphone, yeah, and you can actually see the setup. So the video is the Hero 6 Black on the helmet. I've got my Hero 4 Silver on the handlebars facing towards me, and I hope that you can see I've got my Zoom H1 in my pocket, and you will be able to see the white earphone headset cable going into the helmet, yeah, and I've simply just got that microphone connected up with a rubber to the SENA boom mic, and I'm doing this so that you can actually see the difference between the SENA and this cheap alternative. So hopefully you'll be able to see and hear the difference with the iPhone microphone, yeah. Now basically why I like this is that it is quite a small microphone. You don't even feel it. You can connect it up permanently almost inside your helmet, yeah, right? What you do need to do is, don't forget, you need to get the TRRS to TRS adapter. So it basically is an adapter where it uses the stereo headset plus microphone, so it's like divided into three into a stereo microphone, yeah, right? So left and right only on the microphone. So it's 3 strips versus 2 strips, or it's converted from 3 strips on the 3.5mm jack to 2 strips on the 3.5mm jack. Okay, and you can pick that up anywhere, yeah. It's not really expensive. So this is riding now at about 70 kilometers an hour with the visor, with my helmet visor opened up full. And this is now with the visor closed but vented, so it's not locked into place, so not completely sealed. And I hope that you can hear a lot more of the ambient sound around you and my voice at the same time, much more so than the SENA boom mic. And remember, this microphone is connected exactly to the same place as the SENA mic, yeah? So it's not a different placement at all. I'm going to now completely seal the visor. The visor is now completely sealed. Not a very windy day, but it is still quite a bit of crosswind. Now some say that with a dead cat you will even pick up less wind distortion. So that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoy, and I'm going to put up some of my off-road videos now with this setup and with the SENA, just so that you can compare the engines and ambient sounds with the 2 microphones. Okay, so guys, this is a demo now with the iPhone headset microphone, my Hero Black, without the SENA backpack, right? And this is a different motorbike riding through the forest off-road helmet. And let's see how this does. So I've got the visor open right now and just having a bit of fun in the forest. It's been a while since I've been off-road, and yeah, so whoa. This is with the visor closed. Okay, this has been fun. I haven't been out here for a long time. Okay. Lots of loose sand. Oh yeah, the 650 still got a lot of kick. I love it. Whoa. Whoa. Thank you for watching my channel 0 to 100 Adventure, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to hit
the like button. Subscribe and share to help a guy grow his channel. And if you want to watch more of my videos, please follow the links to the right. Thank you and hope to see you soon.